another video, and I'll be installing fall wigs. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know, you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit, know that shit, know that it is.
Push P, yeah, push P, turn me up. Turn me up, P. Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spotted puff spot, just for peace.
Drop the dot and now we plotting inside the peas.
She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian.
Push a P.
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
Push a P.
Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy, jump pushing P.
Purple paint, pink, push a P.
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 Yeah. Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Pop a P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Got it, Push a P. Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push a P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push a P.
I just cup of water. Push a P, red bandana cartons. I'ma pee you out your endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply porcelain. I never saw ops, now we finally tussling. She ready to get in the streets for me, no questions. Too rich to text, I let my shoulder forward it. Take the P at the alphabets, try to sort it. I'm pushing P,
Push a P.
I'm pushing P,
Push a P.
I'm pushing P,
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
We could be superstars. We've been rather wrecking cars. What is at stake for us? Kicking up corners. Yeah, we could be superstars.
super ground.
But I'm pretty sure our time is up.
Now you
And so we fell off the spinning drugs. Don't know, maybe for trial. Like rainbow arrow.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all dirt on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cross a nigga I'm rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spinning on business and spinning and spinning and spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you ain't never step of help with none of you killers. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. We could've been superstars. Up and now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off from the bitch. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down.